Alright, so here we go with the HP TouchPad unboxing. This is the touchpad. I just got it today and I am really eager to dig into this. So let's take a look at the packaging. Got the picture of the touchpad on the front here. Nice HP branding on the side here. You can't probably see that. Nice clean back. It's just got the information down here. Beats audio. Probably can't see that either. Bluetooth and FCC stuff. Some HP branding on this side. And just blank on the top. And SKUs on the bottom. So we go to open it. There's a nice little plastic tab right here. Let's see how this works. Very easy. And that's it for the plastic. Set that aside. And here's the box. So there are these little plastic stickers. There's the tape on the ends here. I took the liberty of cutting those beforehand just to save time. And it opens like a drawer. Awesome! Nothing else in there. That's a nice sturdy box. And here is my touchpad. Let's pull it out. Nice. I love the feel, actually. People complain that it feels clunky. What are you talking about? This button. Set that over here. Now comes the fun part. That's what that says. Nice blue packaging in here. Got cleaning cloth. And getting started navigation guide, all sorts of stuff. Warranty, safety, legal information. Let's set that aside. And over here we've got the USB charging cable. Isn't that amazing? Looks exactly like a pre-charging cable. They're interchangeable. And a much bigger transformer here. Little give. Nice. No, just plain front where it's previously said palm. I don't know what it says on HP phones. And that's it for the box. So there's the touchpad and its accessories. There we have it, folks. So that's just the unboxing video. I'm gonna get this thing powered on and make an actual usage video once I get it ready to go.